Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the sheet. Format contiguous rows and columns with clear headers so Excel reads structure correctly. Once you have the table, select the precise range you want graphed. Do not include extraneous totals. Make sure your headers are meaningful because Excel uses them for axis labels and the legend. If your data isn't contiguous, convert to an Excel table first. That ensures dynamic ranges. Now that selection is active, move directly to Insert to choose the graph type. You insert the chart by choosing a type that matches your message: column for comparisons, line for trends, pie for proportions. Once inserted, use Chart Design to switch layouts and add or remove elements. This is where you refine readability. Then open Format to tweak series color, marker size, and axis scale so the numbers tell the right story. If data changes, make sure series reference the table or named range so the chart updates automatically. You finish by adding labels and a concise title so viewers immediately grasp the takeaway. Once done, resize and align the chart on the sheet, then export or copy to slides maintaining resolution. If things look off, for example wrong series or blank legend entries, check that headers are in the top row of the selected range and that series formulas reference correct cells. Adjust using select data. Finally, save a copy and lock sheet structure if you need a stable presentation ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.